This is how you delete recently played on Spotify. First, what you have to do is you guys will open up Spotify and you will land right here. You can see I have my recently played and everybody has a recently played at the top here. We want to get rid of it. So for that, you'll have to go to your settings. Go to your settings and scroll all the way to social. Here we have two options that will allow you to hide your recently played private session. What you can do is you can start a private session to listen to music privately, and there will be no record and no recently played history. Then we have listening activity, share what I listen to my followers on Spotify. So if you have different followers and you want to hide your recently played or your history that you have on Spotify, you can just simply enable this option and maybe this one as well. So what will happen is that it will hide your recently played. There is another way you can hide your recently played. You can delete it by logging out of your account. So that will also get rid of your recently played. And this way you can go ahead and just, listen to Spotify and there will be no recently played history for you. And that is how you delete recently played on Spotify.